Yeah.
Let's create the angel's arrow. A1 and E to tag the mob and delete the arrow. B adds heart trails, and C1 and C to make them follow you. This causes a mob to get the target tag when an arrow hits, or gets close to it. This deletes the arrow when Command A1 successfully tags a mob with target. This causes heart particles to appear from the arrow. This causes heart particles appear over target mobs hit by the arrow. This causes target mobs hit by the arrow now move toward the player. When the hit target mob starts moving toward the player,